Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Pi, Shakit Kmi, but Kikubo, Baman Kasi.
Chief Conservator of Wildlife Kajilla upi Marak mentakas ulaong baka sorkar kan sa tao da ka task force committee hapo kathay Nongdri ilaka nga kabenta ban ay jing yaday ki ba bat kum juru ban ay jing hikay haki benta ban penting ki Mrad klaw ki batumu ban wan kiyo siya kisnong ni ki Jakarep. Habakren bat kilat pathay kubor upi marak mtakas ulaong baka long ka basngusi ban yo iya kum kini ki jingsha thombor ki ba haki Mrad klaw bat katnat wildlife ka jillaru kaya le kat bala ban ai jing hikai ki ba khnang ban te la kam mi ka jing ya tingkhu apdeng ki breu bat ki Mrad hapo ka jilla haba batay halor ki benta ban ai jing hikai ki ba naka benta ban yadai ki marrem baga jingsha thombor haki Mrad klaw naka liang upi marak uloong baka tanat wildlife man kapor ka julet ban ai jing Pynbthei shaki ba kisnong khamtam haki tu bajur bha ka jingwan shang suwari ki Mrad klaw naka benta ban te lakam ya ka jing ya tingkhu apdeng ki breu bat ki Mrad klaw haki jaka bajur bha ki Mrad klaw ki ba ki dei ban Pynbthei bom Pataka la ni pensawa da ki kinjatiar da ka batiet da ki tin ni da ka ding Khnang ban penting ki Mrad bat ki ba ki dei ban kiar na ka jing Pyniap ya ki Mrad la ban biang upi marang hadin ga jingyo kubor halor ka jingsha thombor urang ba hapung wei kian nakaliang ka wildlife ru kala pha brio sa kasnong ban to ki bat syam ya ka kaipot on sa penbiang no nakabenta ban siw ya ka bailut ksan laong upi marang upi marak uloong ru bahadu menta om patla ban ong hadu katnu katanat wildlife kan siw ka bailut ksan sa urang ba basya pen mensaw pat ka dingiem klempat yo ya ka kaifot na katanat shu uloong baya ka bailut ksan on siw hi na ka plating ka katanat wildlife om tang haba mensaw brew henry ru la dadon ka jingsya penjulor ki marrep ni ki jingri ki ba
What happened no? Whenever we discover or report comes about such injuries, normally our field staff will immediately proceed to the spot. Then these inquiries are conducted, okay. And the nature of injury, whether it is a grievous or a minor injury, those things will be assessed, and accordingly the proposal will be sent to the department here. For payment of this is ex gratia. No? We don't call it compensation actually, because we call it ex gratia. Actually, it depends upon the injuries. Actually, the rate is there. Of course, I can give you this. I'll give you this. It depends upon the injuries, whether it is a grievous, whether it is a minor. And whether it is, it causes the death of human beings. We once said to harm, but then normally we used to do the scaring operations, and we provide some assistance also in case of elephant. But in such cases, no, like bear attack and all, it is very unpredictable sometimes. No? Yeah, in case of animals, actually, when the in elephants, when the group of elephants are moving towards the villages, no, then people themselves they are aware of their movement, and they used to inform the forest department. Then we used to send our people, and along with the people, villagers, they used to do the joint operation, this scaring operations. Yeah. Scaring operations actually for elephants we use like even this burning of crackers, making sound, and like that. No? Yeah, but for bear, of course, well, somebody has to wait, and then some sound and this presence of human beings or some sounds are to be, created, no? Then so that these animals normally get scared away and run away from the nearby village and all. No? So that also we give. We have got that rate, no? Say per hectare or per biga like that. Yeah. That government approved rate is there accordingly. Then after assessment, assessment is done along with the revenue department of the deputy commissioner in such cases. Okay, damage to houses, damage to crops. Okay, we used to give actually normally, and in fact we used to have some committees also wherever this man-animal conflict is more. In such places, no, we form some sort of a committee, no, we put some people in in the villages themselves, in the village itself. Then we provide some assistance for these people, So they themselves, they are given little bit of training, and they themselves know how to scare away the animals, elephants, like that, na. So wherever this type of places are there where this main animal conflict is more, and the people themselves, they come forward and they request to form some committees, and the department provides some sort of facilities and some support, financial support and some material support for scaring operation and all these things. People will go to the village.
So they have
And
not
they will
been.
inquire into the thing, since I think, like you said, that person who is injured has been brought to the civil hospital. I think our people are already there to discuss with them.